welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video I'll be explaining how I use heat erasable ink on my designs. So as you can see, I've left lots of pen marks behind on the fabric here. I used a friction pen to draw the patterns initially, and I've linked the exact one that I use in the description box below. I love using this type of pen because it's so easy to trace and draw with, and you can easily erase it from the fabric when you're done. So all you need to do is use heat, so either a hairdryer or some straighteners can be a good option. As you can see, I grabbed my normal hairdryer here, and I'm just going to blast the fabric with warm air and the ink will disappear. Now, in certain lighting you can sometimes see a faint outline still, so bear that in mind, but I do still love this method. And I hope that you found this video helpful. You can check out my other stitch tutorials in the playlist below.